Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of science. We are going to start next chapter in science, chapter 9, structure and function of the living organisms, animals. In this session, we will study about human digestive system. Students, let us quickly recapitulate the levels of an organism. Students, all the organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the smallest unit of a living organism. It has a structure of its own and performs many functions such as digestion, excretion, etc. Group of cells make a tissue. Tissues collectively form organs. The different organs in turn working together for a certain major activity form an organ system. Human and animal bodies are made up of many such organ systems which carry out different functions. Students, the following are the main organ systems of the human body: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, skeleton system, and reproductive system. The digestive system. Students, food contains different kinds of substances. These substances are not in the same form as needed by our body. They need to be converted into soluble particles. The process of breaking down or conversion of food into very fine and soluble particles is called digestion. The human digestive system consists of the following organs. Students, the first organ of the human digestive system is the mouth. The mouth is also known as the oral cavity. It contains teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. The teeth. Teeth start growing before we are born, but they begin to appear from the gums at about 6 months of age. Students, all of us have two sets of teeth in our lifetime. The first set of teeth consists of 20 teeth, 10 in each of the upper and lower jaws. These appear when a child is in the age group of 1 to 2 years. These teeth are called milk teeth. These are temporary teeth. These teeth are replaced by another set of teeth which are 32 in numbers. They are permanent teeth and remain with us till old age. Dear students, teeth are hard structures that have two parts. How many parts? Two parts. The crown and the root. The crown is the visible part of the tooth. You can see here. It is the visible part of the tooth. The root is inside the gums and is attached to a socket in the jawbone. The outer white part of the tooth is made up of enamel, the hardest substance in the body. Students, enamel is the hardest substance in the body. Teeth are used to bite off large pieces of food. They then crush and grind the food into smaller pieces. There are four types of teeth in our mouth. These are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The last pair of molar teeth is called wisdom teeth. These grow when a person is nearly 20 years old. Tongue. It is a muscular organ present inside the mouth. The tongue helps us to know the taste of food, salty, bitter, sour, or sweet. In swallowing the food, in mixing the food with the saliva produced by salivary glands, and in our speech. The tongue thus helps us not only in tasting things but also in speaking and singing. Tiny bumps called taste buds send messages to the brain which in turn tell us the taste of the food. The salivary glands. Students, you can see here in this picture, there are three pairs of salivary glands in our mouth. They produce a watery fluid called the saliva. It helps to moisten and soften the food so that it can be easily swallowed. An adult secretes about 1 liter of saliva a day. The salivary glands may sometimes get stimulated simply by the sight or smell of food. Remember, when you see some delicious food, the wetness in your mouth is due to the saliva secreted by the salivary glands.